2023, 2024. This is first day of May 2024 at Aurelio Gymnasium, Aurelio San Jose, Dinagat Island. Signed, yours truly. Dignity Leo Martinez, School Vice President. Nora L. Lopez, Space is School Principal. General John Benedict, with honors, with an average of 93%. He also received a medal as royalty awardee. With honors, with an average of 93%. He will also receive a gold medal as a best in programmer. Bondurel VPD, with honors, with an average of 93%. Corvo Marjorie A, with honors, with an average of 93%. Arado Mike Kevin G, with honors, with an average of 92%. Julius Mark Christian J, with honors, with an average of 92%. Mausisa Justin, with honors, with an average of 92%. Aranway Dayan E, with honors, with an average of 92%. Bugar Jamaica D, with honors, with an average of 92%. Daniel Prince Darnell G, with honors, with an average of 92%. Ibaho J C, with honors, with an average of 92%. Dinong Dana Queen G, with honors, with an average of 91%. Artamo Leovan D, with honors, with an average of 19%. Olvera John Anthony, with honors, with an average of 90%. Pat John Felix G, with honors, with an average of 90%. Dominic Francis David A, with honors, with an average of 90%. Black Chevron, with honors, with an average of 90%. Rosina Grisman Pintil. Special awardee goes to Rosina Grisman Pintil. Rosalita Jerome Lee. Special awardee goes to Rosalita